Why the Marathas are suffering in Maharashtra. A few days ago, I came across the news that in today's BJP-led India, the children of the former rulers of the Maratha Empire, the sons and daughters of the Shevajee, are struggling to be included in the OBC. The government of India uses the term OBC, other backward caste, to classify castes that are educationally or socially backward. After independence in 1947, a large population of the Indian subcontinent, both in India and Pakistan, struggle against a new local master, the Brown Sahib. Hence, they did not enjoy the fruit of independence. The state of Maharashtra currently faces distress with ruined agriculture, a lack of industry and high unemployment rates. Marathas demand a fair share of government jobs and access to technical and professional educational institutions. BJP has become accustomed to grabbing majority voters by igniting communal differences. It cannot impress the Maratha community because the Muslims or the Christian population is very small and the communal card is not working. The BJP government needs to seriously address the real causes of concern for the Marathi community, such as unemployment, lack of access to education, and inadequate healthcare facilities. It is essential that the Modi government to engage in open dialogue with the community leaders and representatives to understand their specific needs and aspirations, fostering a sense of trust and collaboration. Only through government and their efforts can the government truly uplift the Maratha community and prevent further tragedies from occurring.